Hi there, my name's Jordan. I'm the co-founder of Carbonbox Media. I'm here with Kostas. He is the head account manager here at Carbonbox Media. And the whole point of this video is just to create a highlight reel of the current fashion brands we're working with. Right now, we're working on 6 different accounts. I know your time is very, very valuable. So I want to thank you for watching this video. Just have you look at the results that we're currently getting, what we spent versus what we're generating. And then from there, if you're interested in working with us, we would love to have that conversation. So Kostas, without further ado, if you want to share your screen and just go through each account individually.
Absolutely. Perfect. So this is one of the fashion brands that we are managing. This is a fast fashion brand. And we manage this client for a year now, and we were managed to basically grow them 50% over this year, just because we focused our strategy made on acquisition, and this is just called prospecting. We focus towards acquiring new customers profitably. And here we can see some of the numbers. So we can see 78,000 euros spent, made back 727,000. And this is, we are not counting the repeated customers here. We're just counting the customers that came, just first time and they purchased something. And we can see here the majority of the campaigns are just prospecting with just one remarketing campaign. And this strategy was able to grow this brand to new heights, basically. So let's move to the second account real quick. So again, fast fashion, newer brand. We were able to utilize some of the best practices of Facebook and also some of our own tactics. We can see here, below 10 euro cost per purchase. We can see here we spent 35,000 euros to generate 227,000. And now we are in the process of scaling our current campaigns and also compiling all our creative learnings to basically scale budgets really aggressively. Next account. Again, this is a super early account, new pixel, fast fashion. So again, completely new pixel. We can see here we create our first campaign with high performing creatives, and basically we were able to basically generate 21 purchases, 11 euros cost per purchase at a 10x ROAS. So basically we spend 249 euros to generate 2.5 thousand. So we are in the process right now of scaling budgets and testing new angles for this company. So moving forward, another fashion brand here, we can see overall below £10 cost per purchase, UK brand. We can see here we've spent 5.4K to generate 43,000 pounds. And again, this is not counting the repeated customers, just first time customers. And now we are in the process of compiling all our learnings, all our creative learnings, and basically creating new campaigns that will scale really aggressively. So moving on, next, we have another account, again, fashion. We can see here 13, 14, 12, 5, $4 cost per purchase. We can see $23,000 spent to generate $253,000. So again, this is an account that we worked for 7 months now. We are focusing more towards acquisition. So this is generating new customers for the brand. And yeah, we are getting really amazing numbers. So an overall 10x return on investment. And yeah, so this brand is in the process of scaling right now.
Awesome. Those are the accounts that we're currently working with. They're all from women's fashion, elderly people's fashion, fast fashion, swimwear. We've been around the block in regards to what works with fashion brands. So hopefully this video provided you some value. Hopefully you see some of the results that we're currently getting. And if you're a fashion brand, we would love to just have a conversation with you, because I'm sure we can provide some value and insights as to what's working with our current brands and see if that would work with your current brand. Thank you so much for your time. Have a great rest of your day. And I look forward to talking soon. Have a good one. Bye-bye.